some primer first. I'm gonna put the rest of the primer that was left over on my shoulders. For foundation, I'm using my NARS Sheer Glow. It looks like this. I've had this foundation for a while, but I recently started using it again because I like that it has like a really sheer natural coverage to it. Gotta hydrate the lips. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply some concealer. So I am gonna bake right under my eyes because I wanted to keep that like slightly bright look. By the way, my beauty blender is the Juno & Co. microfiber beauty blender. This beauty blender is really popular in the beauty community. Also gonna use some, just put on my forehead because I have a very oily face. I'm gonna let that bake for a bit as I put on some bronzer contour. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it looks like this. I'm just gonna do some on my jaw. But I'm gonna put extra right at these little jaw area corners. I'm trying to have more of a like a V-shaped jaw today. Taking a smaller brush, I'm gonna contour my nose. Growing up, I was really insecure about my nose. I just thought it was not cute, like too big. But I actually really like my nose now that I'm older. With the right contour, my nose can be so cute. Just gonna take this bake off. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna try a different technique today because I usually do my eyebrows like super dark, like dark enough to match my black hairs. But today I'm gonna try to match my actual like blonde brown hair. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to make my eyebrows look feathered. Carving your eyebrow just a little bit really makes a huge difference. Wow, Beauty Guru Sandy. Who is this? This product here is a eyebrow color changer. Actually, it's just like an eyebrow tint, but it's basically an eyebrow color changer. This product is so cool. New girl who dis. I actually hate doing my brows, so now that that part is over, I feel like I can get more creative. So I'm gonna use this palette here. I'll link it down below because I don't actually really know how to say it. I think it says like Rêve de Paris a Moonshot. It's literally new as hell. I'm gonna be using this little fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna start off by using just this light brown color shade. Actually, I'm a terrible makeup guru. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. You know what I wish I had? You know there's people who have naturally like a discoloration on their lid? My lids are literally straight up the color of my skin. I wish it was like light pink or something. So going into this color here. Boop. It's like a brown auburn. I should take the sticker off this. Anybody ever just... And then this color here is the last shade I'm going to use. It's like a burgundy. So I'm going to go into this Cherry Bomb palette by Juno & Co. This is how it looks like. And guys, it's so cute. So this is how the front looks like. And when you open it, ta-da! It's so cute. So I'm going to take both these highlighting shades. They're very, very, very pigmented, guys. It's so crazy. It's like doing a cut crease, but without the concealer part. And then we're just gonna grab a little extra, put it right in the inner corners so I don't have to do this step again. After that, I'm gonna take the shades again and go this to my eyes. I'm gonna puff the fuck out of them. And I'm just gonna put the color right in my inner corners, opening up to see the world. Okay, so the highlighter basically got all over my face, slightly. So I'm gonna use my Kylie powder. Just put it on here. I actually have the beige color. I wish I got the translucent one though. I'm just gonna use this to wipe away the shimmer. And then I'm gonna use that to basically powder everything else. Using extra on top of my brows because I hate that my brows are so, they get very oily. So I have to put extra powder on them, which is really weird because I don't know if anybody else has to do that. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner on, and I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm actually gonna do a very like natural eye if I don't fuck up. So I did my eyeliner. This is how they look like. Super cute. I'm gonna curl my lashes now. Get them ready for my falsies. I'm gonna use these lashes here. These are the AO4. I got them from AliExpress, so very affordable. Then I'm gonna use some mascara and use it to blend in these bitches. Then I'm gonna use some of this on my lower lash line as well. So I'm done with my eye makeup, and now I'm gonna actually move on to the face because this is the fun stuff. I'm literally gonna stack up on that blush today. This is the blush palette I'm using. This is the BH Cosmetic one. It's super good. First off, I'm gonna go off with this blush here. Very pigmented stuff, so putting that on my chin. This is not my chin. Putting it on my nose first. You see that? Yeah, that's what we're doing on the whole face. Just literally gonna put it on my whole ass cheek. Here, up here. Literally like that. Putting some on my chin too, to kind of like, you know, balance the color. I'm gonna take this like more red color and hope I don't regret this, but gonna smile and literally put it on my balls of my cheeks. Not the balls on there, but like the balls up here. Kidding. So going back with my Milani brow tint, I'm gonna create some freckles. Actually not some, but like quite a bit. Literally gonna create dots everywhere of different like pressures because we don't want all the dots the same like amount of color because then it won't look natural. I like to put it all over like my nose bridge area. I really like pack it on here, and then when I go out more, that's when I really start like using less pressure and less amount of freckles go out here. I like to keep the main focus of my freckles here. Back with my Kylie powder, I'm going to literally just put that right on top. In my opinion, this makes it look more natural and less like harsh. It's really all in the little details, you know? We're going back with the bronzer. With the bronzer, we literally make the nose skinnier again. It makes the freckles look natural. Now it's time for some highlighter. I'm going back with the Cherry Bomb palette. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it is so pigmented. Really quickly, I'm just going to clean this up. Alright, so now it's time for my lipstick. I'm going to be using two lip tints today. I'm going to be using the Mystery lip tints, and got these from YESSTYLE too, so I'll make sure to link it down below. So I'm going to use two. The first one I'm using is called Mystery Rose. Let me just show you guys. Y'all see that? Okay. So after I put that one on, I'm going to use this Mystery Tulip color. And I'm just going to use a little bit in the inner parts because I want to have like a slight gradient. These smell so bomb. Oh my god. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I am not a makeup guru, but I tried to be today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. That being said, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Mwah.